Hello everyone, it's time to do the giveaway results video. I have got the boxes still, kind of see them over there. There we go. They're still stacked up over there. There's two rows, one you can't see behind there. There's 12 boxes, so we'll have 12 winners. So we'll be going through and picking random integers 12 times. Remember, I'm paying for shipping up to $35, which should cover most places unless you live like Antarctica or something like that. I don't know how you get a package there anyways, or maybe if you're on the moon or something like that. So in most cases, I think these things will get shipped out for no cost. If you remember, the scammer's going to come by. He's going to tell you won something. He's a fibber. If you want to tie his time up with messaging him on Telegram and they'll try to get money out of you, do it. Remember, their icon looks like mine because they stole it, but it doesn't just say Nick Burns. It says, message me on Telegram or something, Nick Burns. Pay attention to that stuff, okay? And be patient with me because I will be working on other videos during my drone time here at home. So it might take me a week to get all the packages actually shipped out, and that depends upon our communication. Those of you that have won, it's a little bit anticlimactic, but you already have an email. So those that don't have an email, you haven't won. Okay, so I've got my Dementors from the Office pad. This is how I'm going to mark things down so I can hopefully just pick 12 right on the nose like we need to. And we have our spreadsheets up with all the results. Let's get down to the desk and start picking winners. But you're all winners. Not just the people get picked. We're all winners. No participation trophy today, though. Okay, let's refresh our video. I just kind of always go through these things. They're not all that important. So we've got 5,060 views on that, 731 likes, and 347 comments. A lot of appreciation down in those comments. I always appreciate people that take time to notice that I do give back. It's not something I think needs to be hailed or anything like that. It's just... it's what I want to do. I want to get these quads into other people's hands so they can enjoy RC and drones, or they can tear them apart and make something other than a drone, I guess. They can do whatever they want with them. Have some fun. Learn some engineering, some electronics, and move forward with something to de-stress and enjoy in life. Notice my hair kind of looks like it's blown from left to right here. Anywho, okay, so then we go over to our questions. I've kind of zoomed past all the names except for Travis. Thankfully, Travis doesn't have his last name showing there, so we're all good there. I already have the responses collected in the Google spreadsheet there. But I wanted to go through these two questions, always to make things fairly simple, but I wanted to take a moment to stop in here. So less than 1%, apparently, or excuse me, less than... 31.1% of you have been flying less than a year, and I noted in some of the typed comments into the form that said, not yet, looking forward to flying FPV. And then we've got 23%, so almost a quarter of all the people that came to that video have been flying 3+ years. I thought about breaking it down into more like years, like 5+, because I know from the last video I did on the Whoop that a number of people have been around, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years, maybe not doing FPV the whole time, but maybe doing quads during those earliest of times. And of course, we've got 1 to 2, and then we've got 2 to 3 years. So a pretty good, almost kind of even sort of breakout between less than a year or not yet and 3+ years. And then this question, because I pretty much have only flown with my kids, and that's really a rarity. I wanted to see how many of you guys are out there flying. So, of course, those that aren't flying FPV yet or drones, they're in that 20%, 26% pie area. And then we've got people who don't fly with anyone, just flat out no. We've got 23.6%. So, again, almost a quarter. And 39.9% do, and sometimes. So that's good. So you can get some solace and fly by yourself when you want to, and then you can go join others. That's I don't know. That's refreshing to me. I wish I had time. Well, I wish I had time to go drive to where there might be some people flying, and then get to know them and communicate and talk and do all the fun things that you do when you gather with other people. And then what's the last one? Yes, often is only 10.4%. So I was a little bit surprised by that. I expected often to be closer to 25%. I kind of expected yes sometimes to be about where it is. And then no came in about where I thought it would be. But we have a lot of people who are probably new to drones or quads. It's a giveaway, so it attracts lots of attention. So how we do this is we have the spreadsheet, and I've got your names here as it's stated in the shared in the results video. So if you type this in and you're upset that your full name appears here, it was pretty clear. I hope you're not too mad. Make sure you're mad at yourself a little bit if you are upset. We share that responsibility. So we've got all these rows or columns, and then we've got from 2, because the first is the column headers, and then we go all the way down to 2147, and that is the last entry right here. So of course we're going to pick one at a time, and we're going to do that 12 times. So we're going to generate one integer, and it's going to be between 2 and 2147. Or no, I need to change that, don't I? Because the last one would never win then. No, 2 and 147. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. The last one could win. Number 1 can't win. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm going to put my little hashes down here to make sure I just pick 12, because I have a habit of messing that up. And we're going to get the numbers as they say here. So the first winner will be 1030. Go back over here. We'll scroll to 1030. 1030. Where are you at? Kenneth Shooty the third? Or is it the second? I can't tell if that's a character there or not. And Kenneth flies often with others, and he's been around for a year or 2. Okay, congratulations, Kenneth. I'm gonna pick again. 868. Come on, scroll. Let's go. What's going on? Why am I not scrolling? There we go. 868. 868. Went too far. One of the best FPV channels. Thank you. So didn't type in a name really there, and flies 3+ years and sometimes. So there's another column I don't have here that does collect the email addresses. So I will be able to send these out via email and notify these winners. And I'll try to time that with the results video as well. That was 2. Let's pick again. 2082, way down there, close to the end. 2082? Was it 2082? I need to make sure. Hopefully it's Dave there. 2082, yeah. Dave Lee, he's been flying 3+ years, and he flies with others sometimes. Congratulations, Dave. You are winner number 3. Remember, the packages, they go in the order of the sequence that they appeared in the video. So if you're picked first here, you get the first package in the original video. If you're picked second, you get the second package, so on, all through all 12 packages. Let's go again for number 4. Oh, we got another long one. 39, 2039. Nicholas, flying 2 to 3 years and flies often with others. Lucky duck, Nicholas. Congratulations. Pick again. 1512. 1512. Whoop, too far. 1512. Niles Mueller. Niles, I think I've seen you comment on the channel a number of times. Congratulations, Niles. 3+ years and sometimes. So Niles is our 5th winner. 1566. That's real close. 1566. Eric Trump. 1 to 2 years. Years in FPV. 1 to 2 years. Fly with others. Not yet. Looking forward to flying FPV. Maybe I phrased those responses wrong. Well, congratulations, Eric. You are winner number 6, and you get the second package that appeared in the original video. Next up, did I click that? No. Change. 1380. 1380. Or the big old one. We're kind of all big old ones, aren't we? Been flying at 2 to 3 years and flies sometimes with others. Congratulations, big old one. I'm sure you have another name that I will probably see in the email address. And number 7 is 17. 7th winner is 17. Mark T. Not yet. Looking forward to get started. So Mark is just joining our FPV hobby. There we go. So Mark, your congratulations. You are the 8th winner. You get the 8th package. 4 more to go. 572 will be the next one. 572. Felix FPV. Been flying 1 or 2 years. Not yet looking forward to flying FPV. Seems like it should be less than 1 year. Or even, maybe I should have added 0. Well, congratulations, Felix. You are winner number 9. Oh, another large one. 2,085. 2,085. 2,085. Rascoli is also new, less than a year. Looking forward to. So that is our 10th winner. Congratulations, Rascoli. You should have an email from me. Not from YouTube, from the spammer. Directly from me. Okay. Our 11th winner is 1277. I just had to make my hash there on the page. 1277. 1277. Grace is also probably new to FPV. Congratulations, Grace. You are winner number 11. And our final winner in this giveaway is going to be 1284. And that is Dynamiv FPV. Been flying 2 to 3 years and you don't fly with others. Well, it's okay. As long as you're having fun, that's what this hobby's all about. Even by ourselves, we can have all sorts of fun. Congratulations, Dynamiv FPV. Okay, so there we go. We've got our winners for this evening. All 12 of them are like this, you know. So, again, be patient with me. It's probably going to take me about a week between the email communication of getting your shipping information, getting everything boxed up, getting everything weighed, and printing the shipping labels and getting those delivered before they actually start making their way on to you. So have your patient pants on, as I like to say. And I am going to be working on those other videos. I started working on them before I went on vacation, and then I need to kind of complete those as well during my drone time. For those that aren't familiar, I have a regular day job, just like anybody else with a job. I have a family, wife, 3 kids, and those 3 kids keep mom and I hopping. We're driving all over the country, attending all sorts of events and doing all sorts of stuff, as well as preparing the household to make sure it can run okay. I think that's really it. Remember, I am paying shipping. You can ignore the scammer. You can go to the triple dots to the left of them, their comment saying that you won something, and message them on Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever scam they're running today. And you can click the 3 dots. You can go down and click report it and put spam unwanted content. That sure helps, so you could do that. Congratulations to our winners. I appreciate everybody who's come to the channel, especially those who like to leave comments. I always enjoy the comments, even when I don't respond to a lot of the giveaway comments. I just haven't had that sort of time. I've actually been really tired. I had 2 overnights after I came back from vacation, and a guy my age and having to work overnight and then pop in the next day, that back and forth your sleep schedule. I feel like I'm hungover or something, or sick or something for days on end. So I'm feeling refreshed and energized again, so I'm ready to go. And I am excited to get these packages shipped off to others. You will get stickers. You'll get stickers. Let me grab a set. I have the channel stickers, which you probably can't hardly see in here. I think I have enough still for 1 of each of the package, as well as the stickers that come in just all the boxes that come to. There's dust in here. As well as all the boxes that just come to the channel. You know, all the brand stickers that drone companies send. I'll put those kind of, probably several in each box. I don't know how many I have. I just kind of slip all the stickers over there, and then I go through them in occasions like this. I do wrap everything in brown paper just to be a little bit more discreet so someone doesn't necessarily know. I guess really when it comes down to this time of year, kind of the Christmas, the holidays, the shopping, you can send anything in any sort of box. Doesn't necessarily say what's inside. Certainly wouldn't want to send something in like a TV or electronics box. The porch pirates would probably think, ooh, go get myself a TV or something. Put it in an iPhone box. Okay, I appreciate everybody who have participated, and those that didn't participate, you probably have very good reason. You probably have a full fleet you don't want to take from somebody else. I appreciate that as well. Really enjoyed a lot of the comments on the last video about that old brush whoop. Kind of fun little history dive onto our little fun hobby here. I will have those videos coming up later on, probably this week. Yeah, I think I should be able to, at least one of them, maybe 2 of them, I'll still be able to do yet this week. And then I should be rolling into my normal schedule, whatever that is. I don't really have a schedule. If something's ready, I publish it. Okay, if you have any comments or questions or anything like that, you can leave those down in the comment section below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.